When learning engages children in areas of their interest, learning becomes fun and children engage in learning. To engage our babies in a fun yet educational activity, BPSG organized an event Crazy for Cacti on 29 January 2024, Monday. This activity was performed in the class, where the class was divided into two teams, and both the teams created a simple and fun story using their imagination skills. Then one narrative from each group came forward and narrated that story in her own way. BPSG a step ahead.